Hey, how are you?
Out or what?
What?
You guys want to hang out?
Oh yeah, where do you want to meet at?
What?
Where do you want to meet at?
We have a beach house and stuff here.
They got a beach house.
You guys on spring break?
Yeah.
Where you
Here.
from? From here? On spring break here?
They look fucking ridiculous. 4 people in a car. So don't
Why
laugh
y'all
at
got
us.
4 people like jammed up in that truck? They look like Mexicans.
I know.
You said what now?
What?
Yeah, we feel like Mexicans.
You look like Mexicans. Or construction workers or something.
Ask them what they're doing.
What y'all doing?
Coming home from work.
Where y'all work at?
Road project up here.
Oh, I knew it.
What do you say?
A road project.
What do you say?
People kind of are probably like they're conversating.
Oh, fuck, it's a red light.
Bye, Audie. Love ya.
It's a red light.
Oh shit, we gotta chill with them. Hell. Oh hell.
How do I stop it?
You already did.